left something? What's the feeling I got right now? Nothing. Aight. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Took a few shots there. A few pics, you know. Gotta get the shot. We're back on the move. Where to? I don't know. But I just keep it flowing, and that's all I'm knowing. Oh, what the? You know what? Again. See something that I can't pass up. Oh yeah, I've been out here. Oh shit. Looks a lot funner. Dude, that branch hit me right in the goggles, dude. Which means, or the goggle lens, which means that would have been my eyeball if I didn't have goggle protection on. Woo! You gotta run it without the goggles though, like if it's like a wet day, something like that, and you get all wet, moisture all fogged up, you gotta take the goggles off, but that shit is sketchy. I always go that way, let's try this way. Get into something off the road. Nice, all good. He's still riding. He's still riding. Look at that little nice zigzag up that hill. How about we give that a try? There. You guys probably can't see what I'm looking at. The GoPro's like. Does all kinds of weird things with the views and the footage and everything, the hills. Everything looks so simplified. When you're really in some gnarly freaking Edinburgh crap. It looks like you're just chilling, taking a stroll in the park. That's GoPro for you. Still a gnarly ass camera. Where is that? Here it is. Holy crap, dude. I don't know how we did that. Well, that was badass. Oh. We were just rolling up that. Woo! That was sweet. Where we at? I don't really want to go back that way. I already just came down from that hill. Dude, that was like full-blown traction all the way up that, dude. We were just like barely on the gas right there. Ah, I hurt my knuckles. Barely on the gas right there, dude. Like even the beginning of that climb, it was like a laid over your leg out, squeezed across the rock that was pointing out. That was crazy. I tell you, this freaking Michelin is hooking, dude. Just hooking up that all the way up. It's just like, you know, shout out to the Widely Ripper right there. That was some sick. Could I probably do that again? I don't know. I don't know if I could do it that smooth. Woo. You know what I mean? I bet you if I tried to do it again, we'd screw up. Definitely loop out or something stupid like that. I'll take it. I'll take that any day. She's pulling. You were pulling. Pulling. Once again, probably couldn't tell how gnarly that was, but that's pretty steep. But you know what? A lot of it was rocky. A lot of sections had like these little rock cliffs, like, you know, little ledges, and then, you know, as you hit those, that's where you give it a little bit more gas. So that's where you're gonna get your momentum. So you get a little bit more gas, and then when you get to the dirt, you kind of let off, you know, and then you hit it again, a little more gas every time you had the little rocky parts. And that's what's keeping me going. But I don't know, you guys heard that? It was just like. That made me choke. So it's just like all the way up it, dude. That was badass. All right, guys, let's keep going. I'm gonna shut my mouth now. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Where are we going with this one? I don't know. I think we're going to lay it over this way. Like that. Sorry, baby. It's got to be done. I'm going to grab it from this side. Yeah, dude, we were just struggling. We were trying. I had a momentum, but I kept going into the bush. All right. I'm always sketched out to go down hills like this too. Very good. We good. Oh, We gave it a 9. Yeah, man, we gave it something. Put my front end weird. All right, now it's kind of like you're just all, you know, flabbergasted. I could say so many excuses. The sun was in the wrong angle. You know, there was like a piece of this like laid over the trail and it screwed me up, but it was just all squid. It was just being timid. And sometimes you just gotta send it, dude. And just send it. And you kind of adjust as you're flying up. You know, if you're adjusting while you're going too slow, most likely you ain't gonna make it. Watch, I'll show you. I'll show you. Same hill, different approach. Where's that? So it's like, run, go up, whoa, go back down, go up, go down. Not sure if I got a leak in my gasket or my water pump, or I think that little pinhole, there's like a little pinhole there. I'm not sure if it's on this bike, I don't know, I think I've seen it on some other bike. But I think it's leaking water after that, after I boiled her over. I think I blew a seal or something. But I think if I blew a seal in that water pump, I think what it does is it goes into your gear, your tranny and all that, and your gear oil, and then it gets milky. Checked it before I came out here yesterday, and it's fine. So we're gonna run it until we see it milky. If not, we're just gonna keep adding fluid. I'm gonna check it when I get home, see if it's low. Anyways, well, that's gonna do it for this one. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe and share it to a friend. We out here. Peace. Jeez.